In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to set up and utilize subgoals within your split tests. Here is a very simple test we already set up in a previous tutorial. It just alternates these two text blocks here. Here's our test that we've already set up, and we can just scroll on down here to the conversion goal triggers, and you'll see the add subgoal section. Subgoals are super useful. You can make more balanced decisions, and it's good for helping you make business cases. You can prioritize different goals to align with specific objectives, whether that is increasing revenue or engagement or making the website experience better. We'll set up our first subgoal and we'll go for time active. This means that we'll get a subgoal when the user has visited the test and then been active on your site for 30 seconds. So it's a good engagement metric to see if people are interested or disinterested. We'll also check to see if they make it to the checkout, and we'll see if they head to our features page. And just to show a different type of subgoal, we'll use the text on page conversion. When it sees this on your page, it will trigger a conversion. So you can add tons of subgoals, and there are many different options. All the same options as a regular conversion up here. So now that's done, we will update our test. Thanks to the magic of the internet, here are some results that have already come in. You'll see once you have subgoals defined that there's a new column in your results, and there's a drop down in that column that lets you choose between your different subgoals. Our user's been active for 30 seconds subgoal. There have been 290 visits. We've had 164 people make it 30 seconds there, and that's a 57% conversion rate. You can see how many people have visited the checkout page. We've had 51 people visit the checkout page, that's 18%, whereas 62. The new variation. It's available in our agency plan only, so grab that from absplittest.com. If you have another license, log into your account, and then you can upgrade very easily.